Hey, what's up guys? Kuroda here with Crash Bangers and Certified Producers, and this is the Arabic scale. Okay, so the Arabic scale is a 17 equal temperament tuning dividing the octave into 17 equal steps. The scale here follows a pattern of your root note or your 1, a flat 2, your 3rd, your 4th, your 5th, a flat 6, your 7th, and back to your 1. Okay, time to make the beat. So I have a melody here. You can make your own melody, just rearrange the notes, play with the scale, and you'll come up with something. Construct your drums. Add some pads. Add some 808s. And you're good to go. So let's see what we got. Okay, and that's how you make Arabian hip-hop using the Arabic scale. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you want new sounds, we have new packs available. Just head over to certifiedproducer.com to get the latest sounds for your beat. And if you want to work with us directly, just click the link in the description. Peace.